So I'm still in Santa Ana. It's 9 a.m. and I'm trying to go to El Cuco, which is southeast of El Salvador. The country is not this big. It's only 250 kilometers. But I have to go to San Salvador, the capital, first, and have to go to another city called San Miguel in San Salvador. I also have to change bus depots, so I have to go from one end to the other. And the eastern part of San Salvador is considered one of the most dangerous areas in the whole country. So I'm probably not gonna film in San Salvador at all. I'm here on Calle 31 because the main depot, the main bus depot, which is in Center City, this bus does not stop at the main depot. So you have to come to Calle 31, and the intersection that you can see, it's where the INSA is. It's the the National Institute of Santa Ana. So the bus stop is right here where you can see the people waiting. That's for local buses and regional buses as well. People selling food and drinks. And yeah, that's my bus to San Salvador right there, the 201. That's what you have to get, 201. So on the way to San Salvador still, and this dog got on the bus, and it doesn't seem to belong to anyone. So people are making fun, asking if the dog actually paid the fare. The fare is 80 cents all the way from Santa Ana to San Salvador. I see you. Okay, so I'm at the western side of San Salvador, the capital, and I have to go to the eastern side to another bus terminal called Oriente. This is Occidente. In South and Central America, they don't say este or oeste, we just say in Spain it's all Orient or Occident. So I have to check for my bus. And that bus is going through one of the worst areas in San Salvador, and also one of the worst areas in the whole country. So I will not film on the bus. Right, so I'm still in the terminal. There are no buses going from the terminal to the eastern side, you know. So when you see towards the street, there is a Bridgestone shop. And a guy just told me if you take bus 34 or 27, that's 34 or 27, from the other side of the road, it will take you directly to the terminal bus in the east. So I hope this works out fine. Okay, so I just made it across town. It should have been bus number 34 or bus number 27. I just jumped on the first bus that said Terminales, and the bus didn't leave for 10-15 minutes. And then it was a 30-minute ride across town, so it takes you about 45 minutes, more or less, to get from Terminales de Occidente in the west of San Salvador to the eastern part of the city, to the Terminal Oriente. So they say this is one of the most dangerous areas in the whole country. It looked a little bit rough, but not really, to be honest. The only thing that I noticed is here, like on the other side of the street, that's where, at the gas station, that's where the bus will drop you off. There was military with face masks, machine guns. There's more security here with machine guns. I'm definitely not gonna film them, not after what happened to me in Mexico. But yeah, so this area is rough. Doesn't feel super rough to me, but definitely, yeah, I mean, just be smart and maybe don't pull out your GoPro like I'm doing right now. I'm gonna look for my bus. The bus to go across town costs 50 cents. I'm just giving you that information. Okay, I will see you on the bus to San Miguel. Alright. So I found one bus that goes to San Miguel, but it's $6.15, which is a lot of money in El Salvador, a lot of money. So I'm not gonna take that bus. But you can see it's right here. It says super special San Miguel 301, $6.15. I'm gonna wait for the next bus that is cheaper, because $6. Yeah, if you never went to El Salvador, you don't know how much money $6 are. Okay, see ya. Alright, so I'm on a bus. I'm still at the Terminal Oriente. Oriente. And I talked to a couple of people outside. They were really helpful. I talked to different kinds of people. They said usually there are a couple of cheap buses that go to San Miguel from here, but because it's still a Holy Week, there are less buses running, which I've heard the whole week in El Salvador. There are less buses running because it's a Holy Week. So now I'm on a fancy bus. Yeah, listening to some 80s tunes, and it's $3. So the first one was $6.50. The cheapest one I could find was $3. So just gonna pay the $3, and gonna be on my way to San Miguel. It's a long way. I don't know how long it's gonna take because I don't know the condition of the road. From San Miguel, I will have to take another bus to El Cuco down south by the beach. So hope to be on the beach in the late afternoon, the very latest. Okay, so now I'm gonna sit in my nice AC luxury bus, listen to some 80s tunes, and I'm gonna see you guys in San Miguel. So they just pulled everyone off the bus that I was on, and no one really knows what's going on. Everyone was complaining. No one knows why everyone got pulled off. So I got on another bus that's also $3. But I don't know if you can see this. It's negative legroom. It's the smallest legroom I've ever seen on any vehicle anywhere in the world. I've been to 6 continents and 43 countries. That it's impossible legroom. I'm 186. It's a 6'1". So yeah, of course it would be tight, but this is ridiculous even for locals. I wish I had a tape measure so I could actually measure how much or how little space there is. Okay, so now just hope that this bus is gonna go to San Miguel and not gonna kick the people off again. Everyone is a little bit hectic here for the buses to San Miguel because it's still a Holy Week, Semana Santa, and it's also a Thursday. It's a day before Good Friday, and I've been warned all over the country by locals that if I travel today or tomorrow, like, it will be very hard to get a bus. So they're just waiting for this bus to fill up, and then we're on the way. So if you ever find yourself here or in Guatemala or Nicaragua during the Holy Week, Semana Santa, plan ahead. I usually don't do that because I'm more like go by the flow if I have the time. So yeah, just remember Holy Week. That's craziest week in Central America for traveling by bus or traveling in general. For me, because I also hitchhike, it's more difficult as well because most people, they're already by their families or on the beach, and that's why there's even less traffic than usual in El Salvador. Around San Salvador there was a lot of traffic, but when I came here from Guatemala there was barely any traffic at all. So even hitchhiking is harder because there's less traffic and there are less private cars. That's the reason why I'm taking buses today, because I'm going a very long distance through El Salvador, and I want to make it to the beach city or the beach village before the sun goes down at 6 p.m. That's my reason today to take a couple of buses instead of hitchhiking. Alright, so I hopefully see you guys at the bus terminal in San Miguel.
A dólar la libra de uvas, uva dulcita y cholotonas a dólar. ¿Quiere uvas a dólar? A dólar la libra de uvas, lavadita, cholotona a dólar, mire, a dólar. Ahí voy, hija. Ya la doy. Ya la doy. Está sacando la uva. Vaya la uva, esas dos están ahí. Vaya la uva, mi amor. ¿Cuántas? Pásame de la otra, mamá. Tome. Dale. Venga que está vacío, venga que está vacío. Ya se la doy. Ey, Alexis, dale haciendo ya. Vaya Alexis, ya 5, papá. Venga que está vacío, son vendedores. A dólar. A dólar, a dólar. Fresas a dólar, fresas. Fresas a dólar, fresas. Fresas a dólar, fresas.
Okay, I just arrived in San Miguel. They dropped me off 2 blocks from the terminal. The terminal looks really nice, and it's supposed to be much safer here than in San Salvador. And yeah, it took 3 hours to get here. And now we're gonna have a look and find out which bus goes to El Cuco. Alright, so I'm on the bus to El Cuco, just waiting for the bus to leave. I just hopped on as soon as it arrived. It's $1.04. I don't know how long it's gonna take, maybe an hour, more or less, I don't know. So this is also the station where you have to go if you want to take a bus to Honduras. From the coastal area, you always have to go back up to San Miguel, and then from San Miguel to the border of Honduras. For now, I'm just going to wait, and you can see people coming up on the bus, trying to sell you all kinds of stuff. No one is really buying, because most people, what they sell, it's always the same, you know, you have 5 vendors selling the same stuff. So, and most people, they just get on the bus and they buy something before they get on. So actually not too many people are buying. And the bus before, that was the craziest bus yet on the whole tour, because people were on top of each other like Tetris blocks. It was really crazy. It was so packed that I couldn't even grab my water. So I was just sitting like this. I couldn't drink. Okay, I'm gonna keep waiting, and I'm gonna see you guys in El Cuco. Okay, so it took an hour and 20 minutes to get from San Miguel to El Cuco. This is the first glimpse of the city. It's not really a city, it's really small. And the beach is right down this street. I have to see where I have to go though to get to the place where I'm staying tonight. And I will see you at the beach as soon as possible, that's for sure. Alright, this is El Cuco, and I'm at the beach. The water is very clean, it just looks kind of dark because the sand is black. And yeah, you can look down there. It's pretty busy with people. Not as busy as beaches in Spain in the summer, or as Coney Island, all the beaches in California in the summer. It's pretty busy for El Salvadoran Beach, and it's because tomorrow is Good Friday and it's still a Holy Week. The water is pretty warm, so if you don't like cold water, this is a good place for you. Also, this area is really good for surfing, and there will be a lot of surfers, but they're just further down the beach. I'm checking out because I'm gonna have to get into the water, and although this GoPro is waterproof, I just wanna enjoy myself for now. I don't wanna film, I don't wanna talk, I just wanna get in the water. Okay.